with a buffbayfarms villa. I do a nice cook up with a
yeah, man.
so this amount of meat in season.
No, so we use real good season.
Let's say best.
Super best. Everything we have to say super, you know.
That's the enemy.
Uncle chip at them. We use the best. Uncle. Where are they at? In junk, you know.
No junk, but instead of
the last hour, let me take over, go on.
instead of
Look here, guys. Nice. Trust me. Delicious is the understatement. You give a place in the room. So you have to your left, you have the bathroom.
your glass clean that message of yourself.
Clean.
Some and some.
I don't love it. I'm just give you a thumbs up.
Oh man, pure thumbs up. Pure thumbs up.
It's comfortable, so.
Yeah peeps, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a cook up at Villa Buffbayfarms. Yeah man, we're gonna show now around. They here with the boys them. Right with your man. Don't know Daniel they here so.
Yeah man. Yeah man, we'll cook up a storm in the kitchen. Yeah man.
Yeah man. Some nice barracuda with white rice.
Yeah man, see man. We already have the barracuda slice up. See them here slice up. So we just have to get them wash off and season. So we have a natural season here. So
I want you to go epic man. As we said we are going to show now around the place. Nice villa one that can
yeah,
come.
man, nice place man, nice place. We are going to take one around in the building and then we are going to show you the link where you can use to book the place or if you don't want the
yeah man. And a nice sea view too, so who want to come fish or camp and so here's a spot man, perfect, and we live close by. Yeah man.
Stay tuned. You know so we're in the kitchen.
With a Buffbayfarms villa, I do a nice cook up with a
yeah man.
so this amount of meat in season.
No, so we use real good season.
Let's say best.
Super best. Everything we have to say super, you know.
That's the enemy.
Uncle chip at them. We use the best. Uncle. Where are they at? In junk, you know.
No junk, but instead of
the last hour, let me take over, go on.
instead of
Look here, guys. Nice. Trust me. Delicious is the understatement. You give a place in the room. So you have to your left, you have the bathroom.
your glass clean that message of yourself.
Clean.
Some and some.
I don't love it. I'm just give you a thumbs up.
Oh man, pure thumbs up. Pure thumbs up.
It's comfortable, so.
Yeah, man, this is Osh Uncle Chip.
Well, Osh Uncle Chip.
I used to have Osh, you know, so I have to get familiarized with Uncle Chip. You
Yeah,
want to cut up the meat.
see it there, pretty and tender.
Meat them pretty, man. The piece of them
No
are
slice.
good.
No feeling like how we are doing it, you know.
Alright, sir.
I like your figure. Look by yourself, man. I like your figure.
Me not forgot. I was a one team.
Oh.
Boom.
Or Daniel forgot. I must have forgot.
Daniel forgot?
No, sir, I don't forget.
Alright, well they are clean up the meat, them still slice them off a little excess fin and then season them up and then get the pot cracking. So I shall do that. Let me see what you have over there already. Yeah, so catch with
Uncle, not Ush, correct.
What is it?
Uncle Chip, but Ush.
Alright. Uncle Chip there clean up.
Very great job.
Barracuda.
A bar pretty peeps. Nice slice.
Pretty.
Pretty clear.
What the what there? Yeah man. So yeah, buffbayfarms villa. So anytime we want an Airbnb, we can check in. Uncle.
Yeah, man, done as well. Like with camera.
Yeah man, we are showing you on the place, man. A nice place where you can come spend on your time when you come to Jamaica. Or even if you don't want a little getaway, you can book in here. So we're
We're close by.
Yeah man,
We're close by, so now still can go see outdoor camping, cooking, everything.
Yeah man.
That's a spot.
So far, we have some of the bar we clean up and I will season up and all. So we just get rid of that. Daniel there now. I wash off the meat board. Do a great job. Sir.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it thing, you know?
Yeah man.
So,
Cleanliness.
I mean, cleanliness of what godliness.
Right. Same so.
Yeah, man. Yes, boss, so we see about it over there now.
Yeah, wash your pot. Put your rice in it because you know, say, we have to clean up the kitchen and make sure everything clean up. Plug it in inside.
Yeah, man. See what you say, go.
And then we have to season up the meat right away. Not itchy.
No, itchy.
We're there in our kitchen look too long. See how all work, eh?
Uncle chill.
You just walk up and down.
I always blame Uncle Chip.
Tell me what I do now. Daniel, tell me what
I look for you. Stand up and look for you.
Alright, then win. But we don't still have a beat then. We'll give that one. Peeps, Uncle Chip and Kemar and Daniel with a buffbayfarms villa. I do a nice cook up with a barracuda. And me here stuff around 15 to 25 minutes now, and trust me, the view no normal, nice sea view as you can see. And guess what? You can also go third floor. Yeah man, come to the second floor and the view nice. Them boy in there go and cook up. So everybody we always have said them want somewhere nice to stay and so when they come to Jamaica come link up with we. Like camping and stuff like that, cooking, fishing. Yeah man, here's a place to be. Nice view, nice place. Check on them boy, cause them there inside now. No deal with that now.
Wash the rice and put it on.
The season of fish up?
Well, I'm going to start, you know. I don't know.
That's it, you know. Daniel, cut up a vegetable here.
No, I'm not cut up it because we need to give me space to do it, man.
Come on, I excuse you after.
No, man, I excuse.
Yeah man, so we're there, so Uncle Chip will put some time in the kitchen now, give them a strength. Because they need it, right?
Yeah, because you've been around out there, over there, up there.
Yo, I'm up here, there. Come look on the view, come look here. No, good on that one.
No, I don't wait up my
No man, see
foot
slippers
rain.
there. No complain about look of rain.
No, because I don't wait up in the
No,
house.
complain
But
look of
the
rain,
nice
it's
though.
soft man.
All in scenery there.
The sea view.
Yeah man, I want to have anytime we come up here back again, we know it's a different ball game. Because I want to come
Yeah man.
and book in. And we probably be one of the best chef who to tell.
No,
We
that's
never
a sure
know.
thing.
Nice man.
Yeah, man, people, so I go and cut up vegetable, you see me? Seasoning. Yeah. So, don't know, so this is onion, you see me? But I cut my onion in small, you know, thin, you see me?
No, if you use knife man. The hot man too.
Yeah, like drop.
Yeah, man, it's like Irish, you see me?
So I season up the barracuda. Well spicy, you know, so we use real good seasoning.
Let's say best.
The best. Super best. Everything we have to say super, you know.
I'm trying to make them say nice texture, bar. And peeps, we can already cook up your phone and just.
Yeah, man.
Book
That's a request.
Yeah, man.
Just request it, don't.
Come on,
You
simple
know,
as
sir,
that.
we have the best meal around for
I'm
them.
not joking, the best set of chef then. I see Daniel right here, so that excellent job. What I'm telling you, hot.
Hey, don't forget to know, buffbayfarms Villa. Wanna check them out now, man?
Repeat, please and thank you, sir.
Buffbayfarms Villa. Yeah, man, wanna check them out. I'm going to show you the link still. We're going to snip it in this. We don't look sideways and we're going to see it.
So this amount of meeting Caesar pardon.
So I now do a good job.
Yeah, you had an excellent job.
Oh.
Uncle now beat him on that one. Daniel now, I feel like Daniel the ears so look a bit too long. But guess what, I'm going to do an excellent job. So I'm going to do a very good job.
Knife extra sharp, man, so I take time now.
Are you extra slow?
No, man, the knife extra sharp, man.
You know, used to them side the knife.
You know, use the sharp things.
No, dull things I use.
You know, drink up a soap. Come on.
Alright, yo, I make one soup named Daniel Back Builder.
Like Bob the Builder.
Same so.
I can't wait for taste, you know.
What? It's so real.
Where get that story left from?
Yo.
Where get that story left from? We not come up on case now. I have to tell you, where get that story?
Yo, me not tell you, everybody watch social media, so no must. You know, obviously.
You know when you get it? Me don't know when you get it, but peeps, every minute we are doing video, this man about so real. So.
Sometimes like you say it, you know, me just say like so, and me say all of them just crack up and me say yeah, man.
They have a good time still. And they have an excellent job. I mean over them with no whip, see it there?
You might do him best though, video.
Or talk.
Both.
For sure.
Both. It's a double. Alright, yo man, I make you do something now. Just put on the aisle.
For sure, man. Though.
I'll show you now.
Drink.
Man want drink.
Man, this man.
But you know, it's a sin for your chef to cook. Your chef start up something and he not drink nothing.
No man cannot start. You only put up on fire and around me and lick it up.
Alright. Like.
No lick. Sip, sip, sip.
Sweet him. Daniel, what you say, man? Though? Daniel, they do an excellent job. Uncle Daniel.
Yeah, man, I saw you think so, man. Go on, cut
say
up
cheese.
Cheese.
Alright, so we finish, you know. Finish season up the fish them, so. You know, it's a ball game. I'll get the rice, wash and put it on. I'll ask Uncle Chip. Uncle Chip.
What Uncle Chip do now?
I asked if I put on the oil on the fire from the day before yesterday.
Yeah, man, about 3 hours ago.
Last week, yeah. From last week.
Tell you one Uncle Chip you light the stove after everything, so then just a light it. Fire time.
Yeah, pressure man.
And look, this when you choose the light, when we done cut up the seasoning, and when you done seasoning.
Because you know when I drink.
I don't drink.
I love the pots. Alright, Uncle.
Yeah,
Alright, Uncle.
Stop your
Me
face.
saying rude.
Over there, the excellent job.
Yeah, man, definitely. Can't in the kitchen and not drink.
No, man. So,
So we can turn on the camera.
So, how we made that drink, it's a issue. Come on, that's too much. That's too much. No, man. Peeps, look, no, put it flat. I'm not the thing say I lean. I put it flat. And then drink out half a year while ago.
Me tell them something. You see when you're a chef, or you're in a kitchen and cook, you have a whole of vibes. You have to have underneath some influence. The spirit of the pan. So see that?
Iron food too, you know?
Yeah. What? Not that.
Stone, you know? So yeah, drink here.
No, man, I go for mine one.
So you want me to share for you?
Yeah, man.
Take time with him, because I remember saying young, you know, how much?
25.
Yeah.
Sweet him. Much you want?
True, man. Yeah.
Ball out.
Yeah, man.
You want chaser?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You don't like your
No.
See chaser.
You can't drink everything raw.
Okay, good. Just now we see why
Yeah,
you
that
have
good, that
now we
good.
see why you have that pink lip then.
Mm.
I just said that like
Pink,
I said that like going on and none of us said so yeah man,
Yeah,
I'm
man.
here.
I'm better to remember this. Garlic in my
I
pot.
just love that.
Yeah man, them are good
Explain why
people.
garlic in my brother.
The garlic give a fish a flavor where you can't get nowhere else but in a full kitchen.
Oh God, for sure?
With that confidence in everything we are doing on my own, I'm sure this a fish.
Look at that blink. And look with that dry eye.
See me eye there?
Yes, I know.
I kind of feel like I'm drunk.
Looking
Like.
at face.
I can't barely hold my glass. I'm drunk already, you know? I'm drunk already. Yeah, eventually. Yo!
No! Oh, you think you're done, man? You think you're done? I think you're done. Complexion, I come on.
Yo!
Complexion, I come. Yo! Come for there, I'm here, man.
So you know me that was say? If you're not drinking, you're not chef.
Yo, I'm certain you're done, done.
I thought me that was the
What have you done on the second cup? Candy, yeah?
Nah, like this is life. This is life.
No drugs.
This is life.
It's a life, for sure. Brother, just go see, catch fish, come back, all and vibes.
Yes, them come in and
Yeah, man.
them want.
They want you out there, you go on the top. Remember the top? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I remember, you know, when you come to Jamaica, if you don't want, you can just book in. Just remember, you can book in. And if you don't want personalized chef, we can do that for you. The team, they are ready to deliver. So.
Anything we want. If you want it fresh out, I say, like fresh, like
Fresh.
so fresh.
Fresh,
It
yes.
can be
Get
fresh,
to know
yeah.
and cook. No, we have that. I will also mobile. So, we just eat well. Ball game. Uncle Chip at them. Smiley. I wonder if you can cook. You can cook?
The man say, people may comment about this stuff for that, you know, right?
Look what you have in there. Barracuda. I don't look nice though.
And you make them crispy brown.
Not pretty brown. Golden brown. See, what's the courage? What look like you're drunk to? You're drunk,
No,
you know?
man, I'm not drunk, man. But just tell us I have a carry him, of course.
Alright. Uncle Chip do an excellent job. Yeah, man.
Yeah, better.
I didn't tell me say don't make them the too spacey. So, that
No,
thing
the
do.
two spaces, I don't let them close. Hold on.
Any-
No, man, are you drunk? What me say? Me said no. I hear him down there.
You say you don't want them pack, yo. You say them pack you up. And you say you don't want them too spacey. I'm
If
saying,
you have a gap. You see that little gap there? That little gap there?
What's that? It's sweet.
Hold on. Oh, the sprinkler.
Yeah, man. Just there one of these, you see me?
Watch it.
Come on.
See, man?
It's good, you know?
I come to help, you know. Rice. We use the best.
What have a detail is say best.
No, because we're not second for nothing low class. We have to use the what?
Best.
Best.
B-E.
STES. Just killing. Okay, man. Layers are the excellent.
Yeah, man, we are washing, man.
25 years and done.
After was 25 years. Which 25
Remember
years?
say you start washing, no you hear the ball in our system and hear the ground.
Me here grew up. Alright, so rice time. I wonder what should do with the butter. Come in hard, I find him.
When you wash,
Uncle Chip.
babes.
Uncle Chip.
Alright, you see any time I wash again, me and him go have things and
Uncle
save
Chip.
that here. Oh, Uncle Chip, I really apologize.
Uncle Chip!
Yeah.
I have to talk to him real good.
Or not talk to me.
None
at
at
all.
all.
Like, I'm sorry about them.
So,
None.
this is one butter we normally use summertime. We kind of like it.
If we not use this, we use the coconut oil.
Or the coconut juice. We left out with signature coconut juice, the real
Yeah, no
authentic
matter for
coconut
butter,
juice.
because butter represents the oil.
Oh.
But differently, we normally use raw born coconut.
When you say raw, what do you make it sound so?
But the raw,
You raw?
you just filter up on
Alright,
your
so I put some scallion in a pot and look for thyme. Because we like cook with rice with scallion and thyme. So see there? This is a pinch of scallion and thyme. Sorry.
Daniel, do not bring a take over. I'm gonna call pepper scallion times.
nervous.
No, we can't nervous in our kitchen. So see scallion here now? Yeah man. So I put little salt in it. Well, you know some people have high blood pressure, so because we not cook for ourselves, we're gonna use a little pinch of salt, not much.
It's
Don't
still
just
like
stay tuned.
delicious.
I know if that one question. No, that one
Hold on,
question.
this
If is a must.
Like so
This a
much.
food that gonna be the nicest food you ever eat from your barn until now. Me I make sure.
People that can't forget this from there. They don't know again.
Buff beer.
Arms.
Alright. Now we
Finish
said no.
it?
Buff Bay Farms.
Yeah, what?
Villa.
I don't know
Or
if
they
I want to be a
if
part.
they-
Yeah,
they
man,
want
I'm
to
the one.
Airbnb.
Alright, you hear that? Buffbayfarms Villa.
Yeah man, Villa or Airbnb. Anyone you want type in, they up there.
I'll wait.
So bar there fry. No buck chocolate. The rice with this one. Butter and way. The cheese.
Jeez.
They walk up.
But let's take Uncle Chip. What we can use now? Help me find out right there. What do you take me for now?
We take a for and joke up walk out when you're ready.
You don't want this now, Uncle?
You don't see me like I eat raw. Like that now.
I have mentioned Daniel. Right here.
Yeah, so right. I don't want to get itch up in the pot.
And I have to get soft.
No, I want to itch in the pot, it will burn.
How do you all look, brother?
It burn me like what my heart.
I look at Albany around from.
Tell the people that what one I'll go with me.
Man, then there's some true fish.
No, what go with me with the pot. You know, see, part of I must look honest and say, that can look fun tomorrow. And this morning, and the man,
You want to see, man, I want to go flashing and I say,
Come on, some soap.
We don't work with no burn now.
Right,
Bun.
sir.
Bun.
Bun. Alright, sir. Come on. Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, taste. You see, sometimes you just have a taste in.
No.
You see, if it's not salt in there,
Yeah.
you just want a pinch more. I put a pinch more in it. Yeah, man, that look.
So I'm going to put there.
Yeah, man. Oh, that steam on your rice. Nice, you know?
Yeah, man. Fish over here, so that's right. Vegetable is weight.
Now wash your pot down, clean the cover on. Where they are, uncle?
It is an excellent.
Uncle, I turn the barracuda then. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm rolling down this. It's alone with it.
Isn't that gorgeous and delicious?
Yeah, man, so it's a one section of the place. Uncle!
One Uncle Chip.
Yeah, man, so that's a kitchen section. Another area over there. Fridge over there, so. See, you have a nice sitting area. And this is out from the balcony, you know. Nice little view. Outdoor. You know? Yeah, man. Nice place, man. You can come here and book on a night, on a weekend. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Nice area. So, no, if you don't like a place, you just hit like. Same so. All this. Just pop up out there.
Nice.
Yeah, man. The place sweet, man. The place.
As we say, can go upstairs as well.
Yeah, man. And if you don't forget, the place named buffbayfarms Villa.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. So you can, if you even type in Buff Bay Airbnb, it might pop up in a feed. So just go and look up small feed around the place, you know. Nice place, man.
Yeah, man, so then I'm ready to take out.
Hold on, I catch a pretty brown.
Golden. Come on, not so pretty. Golden.
Sorry to golden brown.
Yeah, man. So that is it, you know. And then drip off, so now I drip off a little bit. Yeah.
But wait, that's an excellent jam.
So you don't take them out?
Yeah, man, last on this, you know.
Yeah, man. Golden brown.
Yeah, man.
Man, so the rest of them we'll put in a pot right now.
Yeah, man.
No bubble double.
No bubble double. What happened to them?
Go and slide them in, man.
Alright.
Look like it more, though.
Yeah, man. 13 inches, you know.
One, Daniel.
Barracuda.
You know where that burn?
That's what we know that's where
I never get burned yet. You know what I love,
I have a question, I'm not like the last there.
No, I have a question in the show. Yeah, man. This is one of the many rooms. So you have to your left, you have the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Beautiful. Spacious. Yeah, man. So, let's see what I go on. I'm going to head to the room now. Wow. Nice ambience. What's it?
Babes, you can't get no nicer. Yeah, man, super nice.
Yeah, man, it's nice. It's true.
And also, I put super nice on something
Yeah, man.
really nice.
And this is a double bed. Firm. See that?
Yeah, man. Firm bed, man.
King.
You know, okay,
King room.
you know, at night time when you want to get a cup of coffee outdoor, you got outdoor as well.
Yeah, man, you can have a cup of coffee.
It's a
outdoor.
bit dark. But yeah, man. Sit there, people. Nice.
Yeah, man, the place nice, man.
Comfortable.
Comfortable place.
I'm laying about this for 5 minutes.
You look at coffee table. Where is it?
I'm laying about this for 5 minutes. Tomorrow before you're back from it.
Tomorrow?
Sure. Yeah, man, it's a place super nice. You can't get no nicer.
Sweet for you, man.
Nice.
Nice.
Wonderful.
Place. If you don't love it, you just give it a thumbs up.
Oh man, a pure thumbs up. Pure thumbs up.
How am I going to pure thumbs up?
Someone.
Yo, babe, a long time I not sit down on a chair stuff and nice.
What I just say?
Long time I not sit down on a chair, was comfortable so.
Yeah, man, nice, man, nice.
Yo, your glass clean like I sit to myself.
Clean?
Some and some. Uncle Chip is a very handsome guy, man. Yeah, man.
And don't forget, people, you see the AC are work. Not like some place where they have AC, you just eat up like but you're not sure. This is true. The AC is cold like fridge.
Yeah, man. This freezer cramp, yeah.
And the place smell really good. Not like somewhere.
Super good. Put on the
Super, yes, super. Uncle Chip says super. The place smells super good. Here, so, trust me, you never ever regret coming here.
No, lay down, phone a chat, see me up here, so.
Nice bed them. Bed them comfortable, man. You weigh 3,000 pounds and look here. The bed not even sink, watch out. And a 3,000 pound weight. Just kidding. I'm not serious. Nice seat. Nice little chair. Comfy. You know, comfy.
And then personal chef just dead.
Yeah, man. I remember, you know, we can't get no personalized chef, which is we. you not gonna forget to not stay. All you have to do, just book and just include the chef them. Conditions apply, just remember that. And around here, so if you want to go have coffee, you can just bust the door and go have coffee. We are carrying it to the bathroom. We are carrying the bathroom. Alright, coming from out of the room, the bathroom is on the right. Just look. Glass shower. Open shower. See?
Yo, a glass.
When I come see it for yourself.
Obviously.
I remember, tell them your name. Buffbayfarms Farms Villa.
Yeah,
never forget, Buffbayfarms Farms Villa.
Can't forget.
Yeah, man. The place clean and nice, man. We're not exaggerate the place clean.
Peeps, man, a long time I watch it channel, I say anything we use soap upon, just know so you can't get no better. It's super nice.
Yeah, man, the place nice. That's over there, we are turn the fish them now. What? Burn me a lick, huh?
I lick her. No word for eyes, let's just scratch out, you know.
Yeah, man, but instead of spending some more time. You know, for a scratch out there, but you're not so bad, man.
Alright, so. Are you touching that? You are telling me?
No, man, you're not so bad. Golden brown, we say, but boy, we have so many things that go on with. We don't have to see with it.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
All the things today are going on with. And the fish look delicious. Daniel, what do you think?
Yeah, me, man, right now, I can't wait to taste it, you know. Yeah, man.
Let me try to make a taste piece.
Why?
Should I make a taste piece, don't?
Right now, my day, I wait to taste this fish now. The whole long.
Good taste piece, man. Give me one next 5 or 6 minutes.
Alright, so.
Father Daniel, we'll see what Uncle Chip out there, though.
So, I got Uncle Chip. I want you to take in the view.
The view out here nice. Looking down.
Brother, it was cool and feel nice.
See the lads them out here from the balcony.
Nice out there.
Imagine up at 3rd floor now.
It a happen though. 3rd floor a go happen.
You up there?
No,
Go up there now.
No man, what we say 3rd floor? You know what I mean? Up there so now we can go have an open kitchen. Up there an open kitchen style. Yeah. Man.
Brother, I must have out here and I look and I say, yo.
Yeah man, up here nice man. Nice. You no hurry up and book man, I wanna wait man. Should I book already?
Wait. Well, I'm not book yet.
Make sure no book. Don't talk.
I look for boss.
Want some ice. Look at
And a long time I need ice, you know.
You never know, sir. You never look.
One thing, always a thing.
Country.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You done a super good job.
That's all, bro. Yeah, say it.
Can't say it no better.
Yeah, man, I vibe in the kitchen.
You want
Man.
ice, Andre?
Yeah, man.
You need ice?
Ice
No,
you
you can't say. You have to say Daniel.
Daniel, you need ice?
Ice in a cup, man. Ice in a cup.
Alright. And this we call this Campari. And thing.
You bought this car.
What? You know, lefty. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. So the liquor going with the ice, the boss.
Big difference.
Super cool. I remember the place, and we use soap up and things like I say, place super nice. I don't know what I mean. Because you see we have the things with this super good.
You check pan and rice as in?
No man, we check pan. I think check pan.
Alright.
Second check. That's not second check.
I'm second check here. What? Steam out water pot, man. Yeah, man. Soon done. Okay. Me does normally look pan rice and know say, yo, this soon done. Just a grain and me look pan and know.
Oh, wait, this, watch Uncle Chip. Where am I going with this now?
Where am I going with that?
Watch ya.
Peeps, but have a look for some
I
lobster.
put your plan to put them in now.
Right. Hold on, you ready? You ready?
Well, you wash off this already, yeah. Well, I can cut it. I'm ready to cut one now. No. Right now. I don't know. I don't know, you know. I'm ever ready, you know. Ever ready. I found no say cooking, me in here, I'm in a left it. See me knife, I'm in a left it.
Well, I no problem.
Yeah, man. You know, come with something so when I finish the task, you already fine. Are you get the lobster? What me I go do?
Sure.
Me then I have to cook.
Shell can suck. Like I see with the shell.
Yeah, man, so we are cleaning them up, guys. We are cleaning them up and get them deals right now. Because Uncle Chip carry them come off and him carry them come as a task we get some we have to just carry out. No buck shuffle.
No problem.
We not something, no bone.
Over shell.
See that? We just have to clean them up, wash out the head part. You know?
What name your name?
Dodo.
No.
Them part here.
No, no, do that.
What that?
What call the...
What? His stomach.
What name the intestine. The intestine.
One thing, you know, we always have fun in the kitchen, you know, so we just stay tuned and watch what I go. We are cleaning them up and we are showing what I'm going after. Don't worry. Yeah, man. Uncle Chip, I hear time, you know.
You're right here, so
Yeah, man, take you up, man. Can I do my part of work, you do feel.
For my part of work, I have to clean out them place here. Take off a shell here. I'm not meeting in air shell here.
I'm eating in there.
And true,
I mean,
Jamaican. Well, no, I'm finished that. But you are Jamaican and I get everything out there. So I'm done it there, sauce a shell. You see a couple part here, up on your neck. Yeah, man, so a nice chunk of meat now.
Nice chunk of meat. Yeah, man. We are continuing to do the good work. Excellent work. Yeah, man. Super. See that? Skin it right out. See that? Skin it right out. All I meat I show. Oh, God.
Super.
Where they are doing no uncle?
So they are clean up the place back after you mess it up.
After we mess it up.
So then you wash off already.
So I go season them or you want me season them?
Just don't season upon
You
them.
want me season them or you want season them?
Don't season them right now if you want.
Daniel,
Instead of fresh cheese.
your feet saying good for the seasoning?
Well, you see something before and it tastes nice.
And it tastes nice.
So I'm gonna
Alright.
test him again.
Alright.
Super nice.
I'm going to test him again. I don't wear some uncle. Chip.
Season up a lobster.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Daniel, you know, the rice look like it done? You want to taste it?
Yeah, man.
You want to taste it, Daniel?
Is the rice done?
Yeah, man. I look for it now. Look for it.
Alright.
Another that finish.
Alright, I want it, you know. And if you don't believe me, I go taste it, you know, see. I may not have to taste it, look there. Nice.
Yeah, man. So you go, man, but like Uncle Chipper doing the good job over here. So.
No.
Excellent. No, you can't say good.
Hey,
Excellent.
Sorry. I mean, excellent job.
Yeah, say man this me again, brother.
I mean, super excellent job.
Alright, fix him up good.
Yeah, like Uncle Chipper do a super
I'm
excellent
going to turn
job.
on the oil right now because guess what, they might fry right away. Right away, I go fry them.
Come on.
Them here take season, you know, shell food, them man.
Uncle. Yeah, man, I ordered one uncle. I'm not calling last name. Look down in there. Beautiful lobster. And I'm do an excellent job. One uncle. Yeah, man, we're there. Check out Uncle Chipper. And it's any season, so I will put it. I went there. I know you like it.
You never just sit down.
Where are you over there, so sit down? Tell me now. Where you want to do that, so? Where are they at, so? In the junk, you know?
Relax.
In the junk, you know?
No junk, but me relax and have a nice time.
Yo, you know those look at something?
We can have a nice time.
What's it?
See a junk looking at them more than glassy.
Look there, look there.
I'm nice, I'm not junk. Compare it to
You
junk.
want early, sir.
Yo,
You can't, hold him. You can't walk straight, you know?
peeps, they don't want to say uncle a lot. But
You
anyway,
can't walk straight. Watch out.
look, look.
Balance, watch out.
For sure,
Balance it,
man.
balance it.
I thought only one would be on the side long time about balance.
You want to dig me, huh?
Yeah. They don't want that.
Just check them, man. They're not ready to turn, man. Just like the whole batch of them, man.
So we can go back and relax.
Yeah, you can't have fire. You can't take a fire. Yeah, man.
Turn them.
Yeah, man, I turn, man. I don't want them too brown.
Want to push it,
Yeah, man. I want it juicy.
Full of
I
juice.
can't find them. I like when it's juicy. Yes,
You
juicy.
know, I understand that, you know.
Well,
Danny, come here, please, one time, sir.
I'm going.
You say I love it.
look on the lip and tell you
Juicy.
all.
You look at my lip, I tell you all.
Yeah.
No, the man say, what you mean by juicy?
You know because your lip
No,
say
me don't
which-
know. Me can't know.
You don't know?
Me don't know what me know.
What you know? I tell me what you know.
That's the one, look at this, other half from it, there's another place.
Alright.
It's a nice and the patch cover, we can't take it.
Get
Them
me
are-
get me some napkin and put it on it, please.
No,
Get me some
make
napkin.
fry
Let me
more.
napkin, no, more water.
Want?
That's how I love it.
Two.
Get the napkin, no? Can I search it?
You can love it raw.
You love it raw, you know. We'll try it now on the trip.
Man, try raw. The piece more, try the piece of raw.
Look around, you see where?
Nice?
Put on a piece of it.
Well, me have to go taste it then. Me have to go taste it too.
You know what I mean? I was telling us I put piece more on it. You can get a small piece of it, I'll go there.
Me have to go do? The piece up?
A small piece of it.
Yo, me not lie to you, it smell real good, you know. It look like you got excellent job done.
Yeah,
A little bit and too much. Come, take a piece there. I'm one piece. Don't eat it up, you know.
you know, you gotta take a small piece.
Good small piece.
Remember when I have to save mine too, you know, because if we not go and so,
Yeah,
if we not go and so say so nice, me not have to try it too, man.
Alright. I'm gonna make you try it.
Yeah, man.
Nah, let you out in Uncle Daniel.
I'm sorry, can't let me.
oh, nice one.
Nice. Alright, rate you that then.
Super nice. I'm not
Rate you that then.
I'm say super nice.
Eliminate all that. Eliminate
They
the
said 10 and this with that, this thing.
They say past it.
Please, remember now. If you probably say something super nice, yeah man, the buck. Yeah,
Right.
getting a nice one.
Right, sir.
How about you let me do that spoil?
It's nice to show, man. You can see. You know the taste.
Okay, go this. Go this, I'll come.
So I get
No,
a
take
big
piece out of
I
that.
took 2 pieces more. Where my whole? Watch out. 2 pieces me I taste. I can't taste one. You want one for yourself.
One mile thing.
Nice one. Uncle Chips, I'm gonna take out the sit name now. I don't know. What their name? Because I say sit now, what their name?
Crayfish.
Them a look like crayfish too, no?
Lobster guys, just kill them.
Okay. Because I know I say about no crayfish and you know lobster. Decent. Sweet.
Oh, look at that. Super sweet. Seal. I mean,
Yeah,
about
man.
that one.
I remember Farms. Villa. I know you forget the last part, right?
Say it again, Uncle Sir.
Buffby Farms Villa. I say it fast. Because some people kind of slow, so I have to say it fast.
Some people kind of fast, you have to say so.
Multi. See there, guys. Nice. Trust me. Delicious is an understatement. What is his name?
You tell me.
Lobster.
The mouth full, the can't talk.
The mouth full. So you have one like you're not afraid of burn. And you ever in your video say, yo, you know so me not afraid of burn and me a bad boy and me a this and me a that. Me not afraid of look there. See that? Watch it. Let me take me stop. I'm gonna have something no bone and that Uncle Worm said.
Holy shell. Look on the texture, guys.
Golden cuisine.
Exquisite.
So, the piece no way. Got your man.
No, that one.
The piece man.
No, enough, that one. You know? Sharing is caring, don't get me wrong, but enough. I don't know if I want to give my brother one.
One taste, I don't want to give
I don't want to give him no fribble label. I want to give him a solid one. Instead of
the last already, let me take over, go on.
Instead of, help me.
Instead of me take one, let me take one, watch out.
Yeah, oh, remember me I say, instead of me not give him place, I fight him to take one all I want.
That's how we to be nice to people. We not take us serious no. We always have fun. Trust me. It's our everyday life.
Cheers now back, we're not going nowhere. My freestyle, for Daniel, I'm a freestyle.
One freestyle.
Go on, I'm going to say,
Come, yeah, give me a rhythm, give me a rhythm like.
give me a rhythm.
Uno dos tres cuatro cinco seis. Boy, this man the same though. Him this. Look how easy him life out. Back up our police are shouting a armored jeep and armored coat from Backbush, Tel Aviv and Rock for. Yeah, one
Hold
life
on,
with
yeah.
Kemmer, yeah. One life with Kemmer, yeah. Yo, me multi-talented.
Yo, any station you're going to hear, offer the money.
Yeah, man, I'm not. ABC.
Like, make a beat them 1, 2, 3.
What? Oh, alright, you want my next one?
I'm going to.
Nah, give no more. No. Music. I like DJ.
I'm going to. Daniel, jump.
You fast
No,
you
but
fast
no.
me. Music.
Boy, it's hot.
How are you?
No, I said I want to shake. The sun also. The sun also. The sun also.
Me nah hear no music. How any music?
Go on. I still put move that. I still put move that. The hip.
My head, my
Sure,
shoulder, my
my
hip.
Something is that. You can't say that get something
Yeah,
else.
so me say yo. Me say head a shoulder man. Even though me and a link my spirit.
Another excellent job.
Super excellent.
Sorry, sir.
Alright, you see this now? This is butter. I'll cook them and season them in the butter. The butter, instead I use oil, I use the butter to give it a nice flavor.
Marinated down.
Yeah, man.
Put it a steam down. It break down into liquid.
Yeah, so. And when it melt down now, I just put the butter in the seasoning on it. And season them. And put down the seasoning. And then we place the slice, barra slice them in it. Trust me, it's finger licking good.
Phenomenal.
And more than phenomenal, super nominal. But if there is a word like that.
Well, we create things, you know.
Yeah, man, so.
I know this look better than better.
And you tell yourself it's a super. So it's super better.
Exactly. Thanks for the correction. Oh, I said get up, man. Get up.
Yeah, man, I know so need that come.
6 o'clock, get up.
Yeah, man.
Get up.
I know so need that come.
Get up, man.
You know
You know not sleep? No one asleep. No one asleep. What kind of know that? You don't know no.
You know so not gonna come video, that's why I check me eye. Come here,
Yeah, that's sleep. Barra time. Golden brown.
Yeah, man, so we are going to do it now.
We are put them down in a sauce.
They're going to simmer.
You want them to eat fry?
Simmer them down.
Simmer everything.
I left one look piece, uncle.
No, me want piece though. Just glad you say it. Me have a company.
The hands. Well, they're good.
So just left one nice piece, come on, piece too.
Who want
Okay,
piece?
go sleep.
One
Go and go
down.
sleep.
You just see my sleep, you know?
I know I jump up.
I put on, get piece of napkin and put on a piece of where I go eat. Because you just give fear talking. Put it on us. Is it true you say one piece or two pieces I put on?
I'm going to put down the next piece now because that's my piece of the chef here, if I don't like yes.
But don't talk with you, no?
Put down the next piece over there, man. The next piece.
This?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Excellent.
Yes, sir. You do an excellent job?
Yeah, super excellent.
Right, sir. Have you set them in a pot in because we don't want to leave nothing unturned.
No for love it.
We don't have public level business, you never know.
True, man.
Seal is seal. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Barracuda.
Golden brown barracuda, sweet.
And some people say they're afraid of it full of toxin, but we're not afraid of barracuda. Any barracuda we catch, it have to good.
A good one is that we raise them. Come back, we line up, they're not good.
Yes, really good. You do an excellent job.
Super excellent. I'm not going to tell them again.
Yeah, guys, how not good?
They are, you know, they are Buff Bay.
Yeah, man, so this is another room.
Farms Villa.
A Buff Bay Farms Villa. This is another room. Nice, exquisite, wonderful, gorgeous, everything in one. That's
Yeah,
one.
man, and it smells fresh.
Refreshing.
Yeah, man.
Super refreshing.
Super. Even though me and my Pelico, guys, trust me, you see this, like words can't express.
Words can't express it.
And the cleanest little
what the hell is
Airbnb
here, so
villa
now?
me ever buck up, you know.
But
But
not
now
just-
left here, you know. I hear some me live.
You're glued down. Out there, something like your house, you know?
When I wake in the morning, I will see the nice, pretty
Outside is
sunshine.
full from again.
Yeah, man. When I wake up in the morning, you can just pull and you see nice. The sunshine just greet you from the east side of the island.
Right. The moon just have come up, not that bright as yet. A nice sea morning view and so, yeah man people. As I say nice, super nice.
Another thing I want to tell people, you see the place have eater. So someone who come to Jamaica and use the villa them or the Airbnb them and a pure cold water come out for you. This have warm shower. Warm water the right
Yeah
through
man,
the house.
you're not verbal cold. Only cold water you feel if you want to feel when you go river.
And if you want to feel anything cold, seat out there, the
Yeah, man,
AC.
see that?
Yeah, man.
Right,
Nice,
so nice walk-in closet.
And the TV I work, internet there, right through. So if you want to do a transaction on the internet, you want to reach out to your loved one, you not have to say, oh my God, my phone, I never roam my phone.
Yeah.
Internet there right there, so. So,
Okay.
that's nice, classic.
Isn't this
walk-in.
gorgeous?
Trust me, it's a home away from home.
We're not going to the kitchen again.
Well, see there? You can see. We are
Yeah,
check.
we are going
We are
with
check.
them.
Osha eating, just love it. I wonder if I want the food in love it,
I
so.
love eat everything, man. Anything in the mind, man. Yeah, man, I'm
Yo,
that.
this delicious, you know. Me not
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
What
I'm
food
gonna
me I tell you. This look delicious, brother. Look there. Show them down there. Look down in the pot. Tell me if you don't want a piece of this. Seal is seal.
Right now, we can't wait for you done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Yo, man, do anything we go back. Yo, we can kick off to domino game, you know.
Oh yeah, we can play domino. Yeah, we can play
Right now,
domino.
yeah, man, we are running on my domino, man. I mean, I give them 6.
Who are you 6?
6 love.
Hey man, look for you, look, you can't give me 6, you know.
Alright.
Give me 6 minutes, I'm not
I'll cut it this, so.
We are on the road again.
Who get double 6? Pause. Who get double 6? Like big man in our place.
I'm gonna get double 6.
Pause, no? Oh, keep that quiet.
You get double 6?
You
You get double 6.
Why am I?
No. You know, I love your spirit. You never remind me to drink, man. Because I'm drunk already, you know.
Wait, let's see what that dilute over time.
Dilute, man. I reach that rich. You reach the change color.
I know, you know, so I'm have 6.
Double 6, see that? What I got, son? Daniel play.
Alright, normal.
Right.
But you can go south side or do something now.
Oh, anyway.
Alright, that's no double six. My big dog. And the engine now chop the throat.
I mean, I win the first game. I win the first game.
Oh.
Good prediction.
Pass.
What the man?
I saw me go lash him.
Set that. Not easy.
Daniel and shit fish.
No, don't look at me and then look at my style when I move. When I look at me and then. Give me that kitchen, man. Sweat.
Ease up on the size here.
See me?
Go on the engine, let's see where we make out that.
The engine is soft, man. You give me a play.
My dad.
And then give me 2-4. Alright. Let me see if you have
2-4.
2 sim back. Just say a pass.
Me? No, no.
Oh. Let me have a piece of that and piece of that.
That's tomorrow. That's tomorrow.
6, no? The engine pass.
The pass?
Me know.
Yo! Uncle
You know
Jimmy
your
in
pass,
this.
man.
No matter what, we can't get a pass.
You have to set up yourself.
I'm come
I
stand.
bet anything when you play a pass, him. I
I'm
bet.
come stand turn over my hand. And I pass him. I'm come stand turn over my hand. I can't pass.
I'm a controller game, man. I know I talk too low over there.
Shut your mouth. Take a play.
Take one play.
One.
One play out. Come again, sit you in. Daniel, Daniel,
Yes, pass, man.
Daniel, you want me to pass, huh?
Yeah, man.
Pass
sure?
him, lick him.
Play.
Lick
I'm going to get a play. Take a play. You have a game, man. You have something you can do. Push.
Look at your techniques, babes. Pass.
Now you see
You
you
know,
can't
man.
pass.
You know me I set up one on one. And me control the game, you know. And me have a game now. And you pose it and me have a pose.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You
Change.
pass.
Now, man, in a pass, man, you have to change that number.
Happy.
Come on. Just
Watch out. I better me pass him. Better me pass him.
You can't give me pass, boy. You have to go down there.
Bet. You can't pass him.
Play that so. I
I
give a
couldn't play
play.
that.
No, me I give a play.
No, I couldn't play. I couldn't play. So that's why I meant to say you
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
play.
pull that down. So you have to pull the deuce down. So.
I said, I'm going to mash up somebody wicked.
If me no win that game, I change my name.
Alright. Alright. Time shield him now.
Feel keep on changing.
Look on
Time
there.
shield him. Go on.
You know what, see, man? Not show me.
Go on.
Not show
Watch
me.
him have a play now. Watch out.
Play.
Play now.
Who not chat now?
Play now.
Who not chat now?
Hey,
If
guys,
who not chat
me can bet $1 million US me have to win.
Play.
And me control the game.
No, play.
One for place, you know. One for place.
Anything.
Alright.
Not a bad play. But we are not going to say.
That's a my pass.
If me no win that, watch out. Guys, you know look here. And this me have.
Boy, I went by the piece of tree.
Yanje, captain.
Much than me have. I can't mind today. You wanna win?
Play.
Take a compulsory pass and make you win?
Play.
Play. Yeah, I went by the
Wanna
tree.
lift you up?
But that can't play now.
Me know some. Oh, 4-2.
Guys, me win.
Me have check this of mine. Me have turn over and show now say this a pain. But anyway, me take him show that win. Me give him that one there.
You give me a play for win. You play for win.
Right, Shelly, a nice one.
Chef hot?
Chef at this.
Which one? Oh. I don't think you should hot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try some.
Just share.
I don't know if everybody eat no food, but me and man will share heavy.
I can cut that there. Daniel, eh?
Daniel?
Have you seen a lobster like roaching or something?
I said, in love now, look what kind of, you see?
Sure. Do it in the dark, you know.
It's actually a nice though. Our first guess. What food taste?
Thing shot, bro.
Thing shot?
So
No, use a different.
Super shot. Remember anything you have?
super.
Super shot.
Super good.
Super good, yeah.
Shut off.
Yeah, man. And he say one want a small portion, and I know he soon ask for one bigger portion. Sure. Man, enjoy me.
Right, tell them how the food tastes.
You see that food there? Uncle chip food. You see it big?
So now we give me so much.
Yeah, man. I will stack up your belly. Cause somebody in the comments say you need to eat more food. Yeah, man. So me I do just that. Me I feed you.
Me a second like them fat up uncle.
Auntie, I have seen some of it. I feed you. So that me I do. Yeah, man. Simple it, eh?
Could I take some more rice?
You gonna take more rice?
A joke.
See that one I know for Daniel. Me I eat less food today. You want vegetable, Daniel?
Yeah, man, can do some good.
Vegetable? I give you vegetable. Cause you want in your back. Come on, wash plate over there.
That me had the chicken for him.
So come here.
Oh, that very good job.
Yeah, man.
So they have, remember when the boat turn over? Daniel, remember? How should the okay going on?
The left one.
The left one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so yes, you know. And that time they choose to take up your pocket.
This is my food. I don't share no wrong food. No, man. I lick with a food.
No, man, you're
No,
wrong.
watch out. Compare with all I plate them. Look.
So you want to give me so much?
Because if you eat no food, man. Vegetable, so.
And this is not enough food alone. This is
One
enough
gravy.
healthy, good food, more gravy. I give him so much. I can't eat as much, you know. But Auntie Hyacinth,
I don't
so
know.
Uncle Chip for eat upon her that. Exactly me other.
Me, man, I have to feed him up. I not stop feeding him because Auntie said me to feed you up, so I feed you up. You see that? No more gravy. See that? Seal. Daniel do a good job with this. You see me?
Yeah, man, man do an excellent job.
One thing with him, we can count on him.
Facts.
Fox, you know, the grip.
You know how to grape.
You want this as food. This is our food now, so we are going to eat Uncle Chip, Uncle Kema, and Uncle Daniel. Come sit on the side of your friend, no? Come on, sit on the side of your friend.
Some fingers, so we're not drinking Pepsi, we're drinking. Probably fast.
I think you love.
I don't know, I feel sexy.
Picture. Nice meal.
Yeah, nice one.
If you don't want someone to say nice, just comment and say nice.
Super nice, it was nice.
One day, you know, I have to come with the correct time now. I have to accept it. I'm not old, you know, normal.
One thing doing, give me too much money.
You get too much food? Well, you never want to hold my food still. I mean, I lie. If you don't tell me so,
I still don't want no food, I'm looking at the ram.
no man, I look that food. With all
This one is
honesty.
food. No food, right?
With all honesty, Osh. That is truth, man.
No
You get
food.
no food. I'm not get no olive. I never want no olive. Remember, the auntie said, if we get no food, so we do that.
I'll never put your own thing out.
We stock you up. Why?
12 they call it. So one Daniel. So one.
What?
So one.
So one.
One.
Uncle Tim.
Oh.
Daniel, if you rate the food out of 10, may I rate it 1 million.
4 out of 10.
Wow. It's
But
very
then
fast then.
1 million multiplied by
6 billion.
that's still underrated.
10 trillion billion years I'm going to
It's close now.
Just can't read.
But the bread is still babe. Food is good, like really good. And a self-praise. Wonderful.
Yo, I want thing I have to tell them. If you don't love the food and love how you there, you don't say it with me. Buff beer. Buff beer.
Buff beer.
Buff beer.
Buff beer.
So why you not saying this one? Buff beer. Farms Villa.
No, but that's a repeat.
No, oh, well, you got that right. You got that right. So yo, Buff beer Farms Villa. Trust me.
Come on, a place to be.
I know if business.
That's alright.
You can't go wrong.
See that? Stay tuned. Yeah man, if I want to reach this far in our video, I don't know say.
Everybody
Weird
sleep, all the way to sleep now. Well, sure me to sleep, none of them to sleep. But yeah man, peeps. Reach Power Patrol. Shake off the little sleepness.
I saw you go man. And we're there same way pan the Buff Bay Farms.
Villa.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
So we'll just stay tuned for more adventure yeah, man, and
Yeah man, more come.
and definitely this villa have around 6 rooms available.
Yeah.
Around 6 to 5 rooms, somewhere there.
Yeah, 6.
Now we're going to see still so.
Yeah man, 'cause we are going to run through and thing.
So no stay tuned and remember like the video and share the video.
Yeah man.
See Uncle Daniel there. You see him quiet around there?
One uncle, I'm telling you already.
Look, you see what time it is?
What time now?
16 after 1.
Oh,
16 after 1 in idea or night?
Night.
The night.
Should say morning. Morning should say.
Anyway, thanks for watching guys. We're there and we are go. He want to sleep, me want to sleep, Uncle Chip want to sleep. So
I'm not working at night though.
you have a good in at night?
Yeah.
He get a whole heap of sleep already, you know, because he does sleep.
In that sleep I go for sure.
Him sleeping in a boat the whole day.
That time I bought from where the
Yo, him good enough
but now.
You know, the only man me say sleep in a water and sun in a boat. Told him
Me
good
never sleep,
enough.
me just shake me
That
and
means
Yo.
strong. That means strong.
Bruh.
A good,
I mean, look,
wait,
A man knows alone out of water and in a boat stay stark.
are you at the band? Are you at the band?
No, sir.
Hospital?
Eh,
Then get a bad injection and that's how you get
Sure.
sick.
But peeps, you know, speak
Buff
up
beer,
yourself,
my
you know.
Buff Bay?
Buff beer.
Buff Bay Farms Villa?
Buff-
I say one?
Hospital.
Yeah, man,
But
peeps,
no,
you know, speak
no,
up
it on
yourself.
clinic.
And we love and support that we get from each and everyone.
Yeah man, we appreciate
You
you
need
all
that,
of them man. They like them and they comment them.
Hyacinth, big up yourself.
Yeah man, she large
Yeah,
and
man.
in charge.
Yeah, man, so let's say, yeah, man, you get enough food today and could manage to eat. Yeah, so
Yeah, man.
Give it you.
Big up Ras Muggle TV to say.
Yeah, man. Hold on a big
Oh,
up
every
yourself.
massive, big up all massive, every massive, and all I wanna, if you don't notice, we always respond to each and every one on the
man.
comment. I
Every
must
single
compulsory if one slip with eye, but we try our best.
Much as I sleep, I run through all I'm comment them. You see me?
Yeah, man, yo,
I appreciate everyone on the comment.
you're going to bed, man.
No, man. I swear I go through them
Yeah,
comment
me
every
say,
night.
guys,
People,
you
so
want to
don't
check
believe.
in.
Look on the time, I mostly answer some. Like, some of comment them like 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And
You talk about that, man.
I will
Check
try
some.
if we do video during the day and show how I go on and what take place.
Share with lifestyle. you know.
Even later, we have a next video.
Oh yeah, daddy,
Yeah, man.
daddy birthday.
Before the birthday.
So
yeah,
I will
man.
cook some
So,
food and something.
Yeah, man.